Hello. Right. Sorry. Thanks for bearing with us. I'm David from Radix Communications. We are a B2B technology copywriting company. I am here to annoy and offend some of you, but we'll come to that in a moment. To talk about 5 words that will ruin your tech marketing content. For those of you who are marketers here, hopefully you'll find it useful. And for those of you who are techies, it should give you plenty of good sticks to hit your marketers with, which is always good fun. What I'm not going to do is to talk too much about all the buzzwords in tech, because we know that tech and technology and business technology, they're just full of big silly buzzwords that we use all the time, and you know what they are, and I know what they are, and there's just no point in telling you about those things that you know already. Besides, as tech copywriters, we know these words quite well. We made them into a periodic table of nouns. We weren't finished there. We made them into fridge magnet poetry, which is brilliant. And we have a few left. So if anybody wants to email us, we might send you one. No, what I want to do is to talk to you about words that are almost certainly, at least some of them, will be in your business's content and your marketing copy right now. Some of you are wearing them, literally, so I'm looking forward to that bit. And to talk about words that, rather than just, oh, well, blue sky thinking's a bit of a bad word, isn't it? Why, who would say that? To actually talk about words that, if you find them in your marketing content, they're red flags, they're symptoms of bigger problems that you might have about the way that you approach the whole idea of writing about your business and writing about technology. So, let's look at this example. Digital workplace of the future. This is word 1. We're passionate people on a mission to create the workplace of the future, give control back to the business, empowering people and teams to engage with customers, simplify it in a responsive way. The sort of thing. Basically, let's start with a biggie, right? Let's start with a word that is at the start of probably half the About Us pages of the companies in this room, right? I'm talking about passionate. Oh, God, I could do like a 40-minute rant about the word passionate and how businesses just use it all the time. It's a lie! You're lying, right? It's definitely a lie. You're not that passionate about coding or embedded systems or pipe elbows or whatever it is that you sell. No one can, all the people that claim to be passionate cannot. There are not that many passionate people in the world. There are, if you go on Google, there are and search for "we are passionate about," it returns like 50 million web pages. I'm not even joking. And it's like, firstly it's a lie, right? So before you've done anything, you've undermined the confidence that your readers got in you, because you know it's a lie, they know it's a lie. It's just a thing that businesses say, because you kind of got to say that now. We're passionate about that, blah, blah, blah. Right. The other thing is, in the very, very slim chance that it's true, and that you are desperately passionate about what you do, problem is, it's still just a thing that businesses say. So all your competitors are saying it anyway, whether or not it's true for them. So it still makes you look insincere, even if you're being sincere. But the third thing, the reason why this is a red flag word, is that being passionate isn't a thing that you talk about, is it? In normal life. It's a thing that you show in how you talk, in the sorts of things that you do, the examples that you give, the sorts of things that you share. Passion is something that you show. So this is a sign that your copy is telling when it should be showing. And the whole thing in writing, don't tell me you're funny, tell me a joke. Same thing. And I'm going to massively overrun, so I will speed up. So see, also, committed, innovative, expert, iconic. Anything like that you should be showing instead of saying. Okay, next words, really quick. Whilst big data may represent a step forward in business, can we get rid of whilst, please? Can we just have an agreement that nobody in the real world at actually says whilst. It only ever comes up when people are writing at work because at school, the more posh the language was you used, the more marks you got, right? Can we bin whilst once and for all? Can we all commit to that, please? It's the sort of word that turns up in white papers that were written by an engineer somewhere in your business who thinks he's a bit of a good writer, and therefore, as a stakeholder, he's not letting you edit it. So if you find whilst in your copy, that's probably going to be something that's at least 50% longer than it needs to be, and is 100% certain of being a pain in the arse to read. Of course, if your forward-thinking tech brand wants to sound like it's straight out of a Jane Austen novel, then that's a valid choice. Good luck to you. See also, utilise, plethora, enhance, and engage. Just words that nobody uses in the real world. Stop it! Okay. Oh, I apologise for this one. Learn how TV cable networks company catch new viewers, products, ratings, and this using IBM Analytics solutions and tools. Whoever wanted to buy a solution? Whoever woke up in the morning and said, do you know what I need? I'm going to go in the bathroom and I'm going to use my teeth cleansing solution. No, you use toothbrush and some toothpaste. You know, yeah, well done. You've read the Challenger sale and you're aware that people, want to buy the answer to their problem. That's good, but no one actually thinks of it in those terms. Nobody, when they're going to buy something, goes, I need to buy a solution. They want to buy a combination of things, or maybe some things and some services. So talk about the specifics. Don't talk about trying to sell people abstract nouns. It's really hard. See, also, transformation, sustainability, productivity, stuff that businesses talk all about all the time, and nobody actually says, this is what I want. Okay, I shall do that. Okay, whether you're a startup or a multinational, we understand, let's kill weather. Now, this is lazy. This is either lazy writing or more often it's a lazy brief from the marketer, right? Because, look, whether a startup or, if I'm a multinational, if I'm GlaxoSmithKline, is that the most compelling thing you could say to me? No. If I'm Bob, who's just started a bike workshop, is that the most compelling thing you could say to me? No. If you try and target everybody, you actually target nobody. So let's kill weather in marketing copy, because it's just lazy. You haven't bothered to target anybody. See, also, from this to this, we do that regardless of your need. We have something for you. No. Okay, and finally, because I've got 10 seconds left, check out the Cisco Flexible Radio Assignment White Paper. Check out. Really? Does anybody outside of a business that's trying to sound friendly, I'll be as quick as I can. This is the last one. Does anybody outside of a business that is trying to sound professional yet approachable actually use the phrase, check out that car, check out this book, check out that? Nobody has said that since about the 1970s. It's copy that's trying too hard. It's a sign that your copy needs more voice and tone work doing, so that actually you're writing in language that people understand. Not just putting in words. And this guy, he's got the whole hog. He's stuck in an exclamation mark. His copy's trying really hard to be fun. He comes off like Timmy Mallet. Yeah, he's trying too hard to be zany and wacky. See, also, cool, fab, awesome. And whatever sector you're in, all the puns have been done. Don't do them. Trust me, I've written on forklift trucks for 15 years. Okay, there are no silver bullets. Just deleting these words will improve your copy probably a bit, but not completely. What you really need to do, if you've got too many of these, is to think about your relationship with your customer, the language that they use, the things that they really want to know about, rather than just saying the same stuff all the other businesses say. Thank you, and I'm sorry I overran.
Of at least 3 of those.
Oh, everybody will have been guilty of at least 3. 3's a good score.
Do ask me questions because I've got set up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, please. If you have questions, please ask. I was that over and I forgot. Yeah,
all right.
Yes, Rob.
Do you accept the use of stakeholder in anything other than the logic?
Actually, yes, but not towards the public, not towards customers, but stakeholder as an internal sort of marketing word. It's sometimes useful, so I've used it in a blog post recently, where stakeholder is something where if you've got sort of like product people and marketing people and sales people, it's kind of a useful internal catch-all word. So I know some people have a real problem with stakeholders. I don't mind. I just like to be a stakeholder at a barbecue. Anyone else? Oh, yeah, it worked.
It's happening in chatbots as well. There's these things coming in,
Oh, really?
and it's just driving us mad. But yeah, so you don't worry, it will carry on. It will just carry on. And
I want it
And
to.
it's something which is supposed to be so human, and no one speaks like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No, and it's the interesting thing, the way that, and I know that you know, talk a lot about
I've got
this,
your magnets on the fridge, I look over them sometimes, yeah.
but the way that that the different companies actually have language specialists working like Google, or something, you know, they've got poets and stuff.
Yeah, they've employed rap artists, TV writers,
Yeah.
philosophers, all these sort of people to actually get involved. It was initially done by developers, which was a nightmare because they're not known for social interaction.
Right.
And I'm really sorry, guys.
We're going to change it anyway, doesn't matter.
Thank you, so we need to move on.
Brilliant.